हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू सुप्रीम स्टेनो क्लासेस। गाइज, रांची हाई कोर्ट का जो पीए का जो स्किल चल रहा है, जो स्किल एग्जामिनेशन जो चल रहा है, जिसकी डेट जो है 18 सितंबर से लेकर के 24 सितंबर तक है। तो गाइज, इसमें जो है 18 सितंबर की डिक्टेशन आ चुकी है और वहाँ पे जो है ऐसे डिक्टेशन में ऐसे लिखवाया जा रहा है और मतलब ऐसे टाइप का ही मैटर है। और साथ ही जो है टाइपिंग, जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है, तो टाइपिंग में क्या होता है एक्चुअली कि टाइपिंग में आपको जो है वहाँ पे कि ऑटो स्क्रॉल नहीं होता है, खुद से आपको स्क्रॉल करना पड़ेगा। वो भी माउस का स्क्रॉल बटन काम नहीं करता है, आपको वहाँ पे माउस का कर्सर ले जा करके उसको ड्रैग करना पड़ता है। तो जिसके वजह से 40 WPM भी जो है थोड़ा सा टफ पड़ता है टाइपिंग में। अब बात करते हैं शॉर्ट हैंड की। तो जो मैटर एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा गया है आज के शिफ्ट में, ठीक है, मैं आपको जो है वो मैटर जो है आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ। 5 सेकेंड। Now that the mammoth is extinct, the elephant is the largest of all animals living and the strongest. It is a strange looking animal with its thick legs, huge sides and back, larger hanging ears, a small tail, little eyes, long white tusks, and above all, its long nose called the trunk. The trunk is the elephant's peculiar feature and it puts it to various uses. It draws up water by its trunk and can squirt it all over its body like a shower bath, and with it picks leaves from the trees and puts them into its mouth. In fact, its trunk serves the elephant as a long arm and hand. Elephants look very clumsy and heavy, and yet they can move very quickly when they like. Elephants are found in India and in Africa. The African elephants differs in some points from the Indian, being larger with longer tusks and bigger ears. In fact, the two are considered to be different species. In both countries, they live in herds in the jungles and are naturally shy animals that keep away from men. Elephants, with their great size and strength, are fine advertisement for vegetarianism, for they live entirely on leaves of trees, grass, roots, and bulbs. The elephant is a very intelligent animal, and its intelligence combined with its great strength makes it, when tamed, a very useful servant to man, and it has been trained to serve in various ways. Elephant can carry heavy loads, about 1,000 seers each, and they are used to draw heavy wagons and big guns that would require many horses. They are very skillful too in piling timber. The trained elephant will kneel down, lift a heavy log of wood with its tusks, carry it to the place where it is wanted, and lay it exactly in a position. Elephants are also trained for tiger hunting. The huntsman sits in the howdah on the back of the elephant, which is driven and guided by the driver called the mahavat, who squats on its neck. In this way, the hunters are carried through the thickest and such a height that they can see and fire at the tiger when it is driven out. In old days, elephants were used in battles, and all Indian Rajas had their regiments of trained fighting elephants, and they still have their place in state processions when they are painted with bright colors and covered with silk and velvet cloths. Stop. सो गाइज ये डिक्टेशन था। होप सो आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, इसको अच्छे से लिखिए और अपने आप को जो है बूस्टअप करके रखिए, जो भी आप स्किल लेने जा रहे हैं उसके लिए। तो होप सो आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।